During our recent visit to Penang, we stayed at the Edison Hotel, located in Georgetown, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. We found this hotel simply by browsing online search engine, but my word, we chose well. As you walk in, you're met with an opulent yet casual relaxing space, which allows outdoors and indoors to meet, which is a really unique feature of this hotel. The hotel is a restored colonial mansion, built in 1906, transferred into a hotel after the Second World War, but only recently becoming the Edison in around 2016. As we get to the top of the staircase, we were met with a library room, and we were advised that we were free to use this at our own leisure, and it was just a nice communal space within the building for everyone.
We stayed in a deluxe double room which included Wi-Fi and parking if required. The champagne you can see sadly isn't included as standard, but an added extra. It was from friends of ours at home. But the water is included and it's replenished daily. The shower room has plenty of amenities, such as shampoo, conditioner, shower gel, moisturiser, comb, razor, and these really funky robes. There is this gorgeous outdoor seating area and a beautiful pool with loungers, which we really enjoyed. It's a little bit shaded, but that's a good thing. Trust me, you'll like it. Guests are offered a free glass of wine each day between 6 and 7 PM when we're there, which as Scots of course we enjoyed. Aside from how beautiful this hotel was, it's the team there that really make it. They were attentive, knowledgeable and friendly. My ace boom boom, no flex, no. I won't gas you up like petrol. Just trying to take you way up where the jets go. But you didn't notice that. Keep clocking all my hours, I told you that. We had breakfast included in our room booking, and it was offered each morning between 7 and 10 AM. Some of the foods available included fresh juices, fruits, yogurt, cereals, nasi lemak and eggs. The lounge is actually open 24 hours, offering guests self-service of complimentary soft drinks and snacks. The fresh continental light breakfast here was a good start to the day, filling us but also not too heavy. It allowed us plenty of opportunities to go and explore the food of Penang afterwards, which is a must. Our overall experience at the Edison Hotel was faultless, relaxing and enjoyable. If we are lucky enough to visit Penang again in future, then we would certainly not hesitate to book here. If you haven't already, please see our Penang food adventure video detailing our experience of Penang further.